Bathurst has produced its fair share of heroes down through the years, but perhaps none more successful than Peter Perfect. He's won here so often the local council is thinking of changing the place to Mount Brock.
I just can't believe it's 21 years. I can remember coming around this bit of road around here like it was only yesterday. It's a fantastic piece of road, probably the nicest piece of racetrack in the world. And I guess that you never get sick of coming back here and having another go at it.
Coming up through the cutting. They just wait for the reception that he'll receive on top of the mountain from all the fans that have assembled up there. They're waving, so look at the fans out on the hill waving the banners, the Australian flag, go Commodore, go. Parsons just goes past the pitch of a man who appears to be James Hardy, 1000 victor. Here he comes. The man who's going to make it 6, and he's got time to put the hand out the window and say thank you very much.
Over the top he goes at Skyline.
One of the real remarkable men of Australian motorsport. Even with the hand out the window, he's still able to pull away just a little from Peter Jansen. And through the S.
Down off the mountain. The last time in 82, the flags are out. The crowd's going wild. The flag marshals are applauding. What a great sight. On the crossroads, great month. Go Brad, Peter Brock.
Here he comes now. Okay, climb down. Not right straight. Speaking back with his pits. Jansen pulling up as Brock stretches it out just a little. Jansen tries to close, though he's well back behind Brock, and Brock might even let him go past. Doesn't want to get involved in it. No, he didn't.
Oh, wait. Stand by for the Panorama. It's about to break loose. Peter Brock comes around Murray's corner to take the second flag at the end of the great race.
He's done it. He's won it. The 82. James Hardy, 1000 goes to Peter Brock. From the crowd. Ford lovers, Daxon lovers, Mazda lovers, Nissan lovers. They all stand and salute one of Australia's greatest. He's done it in great style. Said a small car would win the 82 James Hardy 1000. Well, a small car did right now, so Brock's going to do this one by himself. Acknowledging the cheers, moving off to the left-hand side of the road to allow those other cars still to continue uninterrupted, and I say that's exactly what Peter Brock's waiting for. But David Parsons to try and form up so they can go 1-2 across the mountain. And the crowd really giving Peter Brock a send-off. The last trip of the V8 Big Bangers, as they're called, the Group C touring cars, and Brock has done it again. 8 wins at Mount Panorama. I think the mayor of the city might even call this Mount Brock. Here he comes. Don't say this wasn't orchestrated. A 1-2 for the dealer team. Peter Brock in 0.5 comes across the line to win the 1984 James Hardy 1000. Second place will go to his dealer teammate David Parsons in the number 25 car.